Welcome to Curry News! Today we'll be talking to two doctors, Dr. Jamar and Dr. Tuba, and we'll be discussing two different theories. First will be the Q dependency theory and the other one will be the displacement theory. Okay, so class, now we're going to start talking about different theories. So firstly, we'll be talking about the Q dependency theory, and I will be introducing you to Dr. Tuba.
Cues present at encoding are not present at retrieval, forgetting may occur. Cues or prompts are pieces of information that guide us to the information we are seeking, like a contents page to a book. These memory cues may be necessary to recall information that we have available in our memories, but we are unable to access. There are two types of cues. One is context, which are environmental cues, such as your classroom. For example, when someone goes up the stairs to get something and forgets what it was, they might remember it again when they're back downstairs where they first thought of it. The second is state cues, which are cues internal to the person, such as being excited or afraid. For example, if you learn something when in a relaxed mood, but cannot recall it when in a tense mood.
Okay, so now Dr. Tuba, can you tell us about the strengths of your theory, please?
Of course, this Q dependency theory has supporting research by Godin and Badley. They found that participants recalled 50% fewer words when recording them in a different environment from when they were encoded. Also, it contributes to society in a positive way because it has shown us how to enhance people's recall by introducing context or state cues. For example, in police reconstruction, witnesses are often asked to go back to the scene of the crime because this helps their recall.
But wait, Dr. Tuba, you have some weaknesses in that theory. Contradictory and alternative arguments. Interface theory argues that forgetting is due to confusion between old and new memories and not due to the presence of context or state cues. Furthermore, the study that is used to back up this theory has low reliability. In Godin and Badley's study, there was a lack of control over many parts of the procedure, such as the fitness levels of the participants, weather conditions, or the noise levels. Furthermore, suggesting that this experiment would be difficult to replicate and produce the same results.
Wait, hello guys. But you didn't tell me your theory, which is the displacement theory.
Oh, sorry.
So how can you tell us the weaknesses?
Okay. The theory of displacement. This theory is based on the short-term memory. Based on the fact that the short-term memory has limited capacity. The capacity of the short-term memory is 5 to 9 items. When the short-term memory is full or reaching maximum capacity, there is no more information that can be stored. For new information to be processed, any information that is already in the short-term memory must be replaced, or rather displaced, making space for the new information. For example, if a friend tells us their phone number, but we cannot write it down somewhere, and then someone else tells us what they did last night, the phone number will be lost. Once the information is pushed out or displaced by the new information, the original information in the short-term memory is lost. However, if the material is correctly or sufficiently rehearsed, then it will move from the short-term memory and pass on to the long-term memory.
Now we're going to look at the strengths of the displacement.
Okay. One of the strengths is that it supports the multi-store model of memory. If short-term memory has limited capacity, it makes sense that new information the new information has to displace the old information before it has been rehearsed. Furthermore, the research on which it's based is repeatable, which means it has high reliability and experimental validity. Research is carried out by the use of experiments that were well controlled and show a cause and effect relationship. The experiments are replicable and can be tested for reliability, making them scientific. Another strength is that it's a contribution to society. If we understand how information is lost,
And which makes it artificial.
But wait guys, both of your theories are reductionist.
Thanks for watching.
Done.